What's going on, Graveyard Shift family? It's your fearless shift leader, Dalen, clocked in for another amazing shift. Family, it's been raining today in Atlanta. It's been really raining this past week. And it's kind of cold out here. But I'm back at our favorite resting community because we are on a mission. We are on a mission to find out who is Patrick and who is Mike. So for the past 2 sessions, I have pulled up to the same spot in this resting community. And in the same spot, we keep getting the same 2 people, Patrick and Mike. So I said today I was going to do a little investigating of myself. And I wanted to kind of walk around the immediate area and see if we can find a Patrick or a Mike or a Michael, and just see if maybe that's the spirit that's been trying to talk to us the past couple of sessions. So this session is going to be a little bit different, y'all. Again, this is us seeing if we can connect with Patrick or Mike. First, I'm going to cut the spirit box on first to see if they're even here. And then I'm going to go look for them. All right, y'all, let's get to it. Oh, well, I don't even need to do nothing yet. Hold on. Let me see if I can set this up right here, guys. All right. My name is Dalen. I come in love, peace, and respect. I am here for one reason and one reason only. That is to try to connect with either Patrick or Mike. Is either Patrick or Mike here right now?
Looks straight.
Looks straight? There's Patrick. Patrick, did I just see you walk in front of my car? No? Okay. I thought I saw like a mist come this way.
Is that
what you wanted? Okay. Patrick, are you able to sit inside the car with me? In this seat right here? So out and about? Why don't you want to sit in the car with me? You said open? You want me to open the door? Okay. Okay. Patrick, I opened the door. Are you able to get inside the car? Well, if you're in the car, can you close the door? Did that just say sit next to Dalen? That's wild. That's wild. Patrick, so you're sitting next to me, right? But Patrick, look. Can you show me how strong you are? This is a really big ask. A really huge ask. I opened the door for you. Can you close it for me? That's a heavy door. Yo. Patrick, can you close the door for me? Okay. Yo, I don't know if y'all can see it, but the door is clearly, the wind is blowing, but that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Patrick, were you trying to close the door?
And good pictures.
Is the door too heavy for you? I just closed the door, y'all. I don't want y'all to think that was Patrick. Y'all be, oh my God, the door closed. No, that was me. I just closed it just now. Now, if I was a dirty dog, let me see if I can recreate that. Let me see if I could have pulled a fast one on y'all. Let me see if I could have pulled a fast one on y'all. I would never do that, but yeah. Let me see if I could have. I would have been like, Patrick. Oh, y'all can see my arm. Patrick. Can you close the door, Patrick? Uh-oh. Let me stop before I break my Patrick! Can you close the door, Patrick? Nah, that's wild. All right, I want to know where Patrick is, though. I wonder if he's around here somewhere. Like buried around here. Patrick, are you able to kind of lead us to where you're resting?
Difficult.
Why would it be difficult? Why would it be difficult? Patrick, are you still in the car? So, I'm finna get out and look for you. Can you show me or tell me the direction I should start? Left. Okay. Here I go. All right, y'all. Let's see. All right, family. It is a windy day out here. So forgive me if it's loud. The wind is loud. But it sounds like Patrick told us to go to the left. But what's crazy is I don't know if it was left, car facing left. So that would be that way, or where I was looking was this way, and he said left. So let's just start with that. We're looking for a Patrick. Looking for a Patrick in the immediate area. Julius, Wileen, James, Joseph, Evelyn, Bernice, Raider, Ruth, Hamrick, Etta, Peggy, Richard, Dolores. Y'all, what y'all gonna do if we run across a Patrick over here? I mean, it ain't far-fetched. It will be random, but it's not far-fetched. But it has to be in this immediate area. He has to be resting in this immediate area for it to count. Well, not really for it to count, but for it not to be like just random, I feel. I'm gonna go back and get the spirit box. Bree, Angeline, plumber. What are y'all thinking? What are y'all thinking? Ed Lester, James, Lassie, Samuels, John, Charles, Marie, Inez, Frank, Claude, Sarah, Robert, Joseph, James, Irene, Reba, William, Cindy, Virginia. What's up to everybody that's resting? I hope everybody's resting well. I was looking for a Patrick. Is there a Patrick anywhere around here? We got a Jasper, a Ruth, another Jasper. Maybe he meant my other left. Maybe he meant my other left, y'all. Let's go back over that way and see. Hold on. Let's see. I didn't see a Patrick over there. Let's look right here. The car's right there. That's where I always park. Steve, Terry, Joanne, Gary, Juanita, Johnny. Excuse the wind, man. Excuse the wind. Peggy, Cecil. All right, y'all. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's not looking good, y'all. I don't see. Well, y'all gotta just bear with me, guys. Mary Alice, Thelma, Joseph, Juanita, Pete, Tommy, Holly, Esther, Virginia, Betty, Fannie Lou. Hey, everybody that's resting. What if Patrick isn't even from here? Have we thought about that? There's the car. What if Patrick... I don't know why I'm getting like nervous all of a sudden. I don't know why I'm getting nervous all of a sudden. Not like scared, but just like the anticipation. The anticipation. But for some reason, I don't feel like Patrick is buried over here. Let's go back to the car and try to cut on the spirit box again. That's such a Patrick thing to do. That's such a Patrick thing to do. Why would you say you was outside to the left, brother, and you not? Oh, let's check it out. Let's see. Patrick, you had me get out the car, man, and it's cold, and you had me searching. You said you was buried to the left, brother. Are you still here, Patrick? Patrick, are you here? Can that sound like Mike? Can someone on the other side tell me if the person named Patrick I was speaking to, is he buried here, or is he an outsider? Is Patrick resting here? No. Where's Patrick from?
Move it out.
Is Patrick a good soul or a bad soul? Are any of our guides here? Is there anyone in the car with me right now? Well, if there is any spirits that are in this car, please stay here at this resting community. This is your home. Please do not follow me. Do you understand? Sure. It's like they said, sure.
About
Well, Patrick, is there anything else you would like to say to me, brother? Is Mike here? Hey, Mike.
we're west.
Mike, are you here?
Candy.
Okay. Thank you. I feel like Patrick sent us on a wild goose chase today, guys. Brother had me walking all through the graveyard looking for him. He ain't even here. That's like ding dong ditch. We gonna get down to the bottom of who Patrick is and why he's coming around and why Mike is just hanging in the background. This is like a soap opera, a daily soap opera, y'all. The shift's gonna keep continuing on. The shift's gonna keep shifting and we gonna figure it out. Y'all, Stacy's out of town. I gotta go get my baby from school. Gotta go get my baby from school. So the shifts will continue this week for sure, y'all. Love, love, love. We gonna find out about this Patrick. What do y'all think? Y'all think Patrick is good or bad? Do you think like he's following us or did we stumble across him? Let me know in the comment section what you think about Patrick, guys. Because they said my name. They keep saying my name too here. My intuitives, my mediums, my sensitives. Let me know what you think, y'all. All right, let me go get my baby from school. Love, love, love. Catch you tomorrow.